Hello and welcome. Let's take a look at the top story that we are tracking for you. There seems to be no respite to Donald Trump's legal troubles. American prosecutors have now urged a federal appeals court to reject Trump's claim to presidential immunity. This as the former president faces the criminal charge of attempting to subvert the 2020 election results. In a fresh court filing, special counsel Jack Smith, who is overseeing Trump's prosecution in the subversion case, has reiterated his argument against Trump's immunity claim. Smith argues that no constitutional provision or legal precedence awards any former American president from facing criminal charges while in office. Shooting down Trump's claim of the office cloaking him with absolute immunity, Smith warns that entertaining Trump's claim could create precedence that places presidents above the American law. Citing the Constitution, Smith states that separation of powers allow presidents to be charged for crimes committed in office, and I quote, including most critically here, illegal acts to remain in power despite losing an election, unquote. Now, earlier, Smith had requested the Supreme Court to bypass the lower appeals court and immediately rule on the issue. The Supreme Court denied this request, reverting it to the D.C. Circuit Court. Now, the charge of election subversion makes up one of the 4 criminal prosecutions the former president is facing. In an earlier filing from December 2023, his legal team claimed if Trump was charged, it would set a precedence undermining the power of the presidency. A 3-judge panel of the U.S. Appeals Court for the District of Columbia is scheduled to hold a proceeding on the 9th of January 2024. Trump, who continues to dominate the run-up to the Republican nomination for 2024, is currently appealing a district court ruling that quashed his bid to dismiss his subversion charges. The timing of the court's decision will be crucial in deciding if Trump will be allowed to contest the upcoming presidential elections in 2024. Now, state contests to select a Republican nominee are scheduled to begin on the 15th of January 2024. The United States presidential primary election, colloquially known as Super Tuesday, is scheduled to be held in March of 2024. 16 states will be conducting primaries and caucuses to decide the candidates for the 2024 presidential elections.